2, 3, funky.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So, as you can see, I wanted to bake some banana cake, which is my favorite. And before I do that, I just wanted to introduce myself first. My name is Robee, Tero, and I'm from Mmw H125. The course I am taking right now, as you can see, is Bachelor of Science in International Hospitality Management in Cruise Line Operations and Culinary Arts. So I'll probably be baking and cooking, right? What I'm going to do right now is going to measure the all-purpose flour just to fill this bowl. But I don't know how, but it's true what they say, right? That math is everywhere, that math is all around of us. So what is mathematics all about? According to Ellen J. Hom, several civilizations in China, India, Egypt, Central America, and Mesopotamia has all contributed mathematics as we know it today. Mathematics is also a science that deals with logic, shapes, and arrangement. Well, for me, mathematics is all about adding, subtracting, dividing, and multiplication, doing lowest terms, and many others. These things are done in numbers or even letters. Some tour guide, online sellers, street vendor, and also a chef uses mathematics. What I'm about to introduce to you, my mom! Say hi, Ma!
Hi, hello.
So, my question, Mom, is how do you use mathematics?
Oh, mathematics. You know what? Mathematics is very important and very useful. I use math in budgeting my salary, marketing, and even in our small business, the Tofu CC. As a teacher, I can't avoid math in my career, especially in computing grades of my students. And I want to show you how do I compute grades. Okay, I have here a sample. I have here 3 components. The first component is written work. Okay, written work is 50%. Performance task is 30%, and the periodical test is 20%, a total of 100%. So for example, my first student got 127 over 30. Right, so to get the 50% of 127, you're going to multiply 127 by 0.50 or 50%, and the result is 63.5. For the performance task, for example, you got a perfect score, so 50 times by or multiplied by 30% or 0.30, and the result is 15. For the periodical exam or periodical test, for example, 50 over 50. So 50 times 0.20 is equals to 10. So to get the final grade, you just add the 50%, 30%, and 20%. So for example, 63.5 plus 15 plus 10. The result is 89%. That is the final grade of one of my students.
Is it really important to know or learn mathematics? Well, of course, yeah. Well, we have all that kind of mentalities that which we avoid, wherein we are required to deal with calculations and mathematical problems. Well, think of another look of mathematics. When we look differently and we look more positively, we will see a brighter side. I admit that without understanding the essence of math was really quite difficult. Although math was a great enemy. I I must say, chasing mathematics in modern world, overcoming mathematics is a win-win situation for me. You just need to understand that the time of learning math will not be the same for everyone. Some may have been good and some are not. Math is everywhere because whenever we go, math can be applied. Art simple, addition or subtracting. Counting is math. Measuring is math. That is why math is everywhere. I would show you an example. A bunch of sunflower seeds. As you can see, it has a measurement. And they're just the same, all of them. This sequence was known as early as the 6th century AD by Indian mathematician, but it was Fibonacci who introduced it to the West throughout his travels at the Mediterranean world and North Africa. He is also known as Leonardo Bonacci, as his name is derived in Italian from words meaning the son of Bonacci. Starting with 0 and 1, each number in the sequence is simply the sum of the two numbers before it. Here's an example of it. Can you guess or figure out what's the next number? So the next number in the sequence above is 55, and that's right. I disagree that mathematics is not a language, but a useless set of formal rules and alien symbols. So for me, mathematics can be used all over the world. Mathematics can also act as a universal language. A phrase or formula has the same meaning. In this way, math helps people to learn and communicate, even if there is a communication barriers exist. Hope you enjoy and learn something today.